So where did it go? Can it go backwards on it? Can you go back all the way on it, or is it just
forward, back?
Yeah. What do you think? Can't do it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
I'm gonna be on.
Okay. Whoa. So it's going to go in the planter. Oh, this is cool. It's hard to get it. Is it hard to get it? Do you want me to push from this side?
It's not hard.
Oh, you got it. Nice. And then it's very cool when it goes underneath here.
But under your desk.
I know. It's pretending it's a tunnel though, right?
Yeah.
We have to watch out the dog.
Why?
She was sleeping.
This is a train where I'm the driver.
You are the conductor? You went the whole way. Look at that.
Now I'm gonna go. Hey, what happened to the tower?
Uh-oh. Did I knock it down? So sorry. Or do you think Turbo did or me?
Both of you.
Oh. Well, I'm very sorry. Am I forgiven? Is Turbo forgiven? No! Oh, Turbo. That's okay. I forgive you.